Welcome to the future of computing with ASUS' latest marvel, the Vivobook S15, powered by the groundbreaking Copilot Plus PC technology. This isn't just any laptop, it's a revolution in your hands, ready to redefine your digital experience. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Imagine a laptop that doesn't just improve on its predecessors, but leaps forward. The Vivobook S15, Asus's first venture into the Copilot Plus PC realm, is just that. It's an ARM-based powerhouse ready to ship with either a Snapdragon X Elite or Plus processor. This isn't just a step forward, it's a quantum leap. The Vivobook S15 isn't just about power, it's about elegance too. It boasts the same stunning OLED display as the previous Intel generation, but with a sleeker, thinner chassis and display bezels that make it a sight to behold, and the power under the hood. Choose from a 12-core Snapdragon X Elite or a 10-core X Plus processor. The choice is yours. But the Vivobook S15 isn't just about looks and power, it's about versatility too, with up to 32 gigabytes onboard memory and 1 terabyte of PCIe 4.0 SSD storage. It's ready to handle anything you throw at it. And with a plethora of ports, including 2 USB-A, 2 USB 4.0 Type-C, 1 HDMI 2.1, an audio mic combo jack, and a micro SD card reader. Connectivity will never be an issue. The Vivobook S15 is also the first ASUS device to come with the proprietary StoryCube app. This AI-powered tool is ready to sort, edit, manage, and export raw photos and video files. And with the Snapdragon's NPU power, it's ready to speed up other AI workloads in applications like Windows Studio Effects and Co-Creator. ASUS has always been a champion for digital artists, graphic designers, and other visual creatives. The Vivobook S15 continues this tradition, offering a budget-friendly alternative to the ProArt series. And with the Snapdragon X series, it's ready to take on Apple's M-series chips head-on. The future is here and it's available for pre-order. The Asus Vivobook S15 with a Snapdragon X Elite won't ship until June 18th, but you can secure yours today. And with options starting at $1,299 for a 16 gigabytes, 1 terabyte version. There's a Vivobook S15 for everyone. A Snapdragon X Plus model will arrive later this year, but for now, the future is waiting. Are you ready to embrace it? And that's a wrap. You've just had a glimpse into the future with ASUS's Vivobook S15, powered by the groundbreaking Copilot Plus PC technology. Don't forget to pre-order yours today and step into a new era of digital experience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us. Peace out.